What if you could build a complete brand, a website, a marketing engine, and an online store using nothing but free AI tools? Instead of juggling random apps, we are going to connect 10 free platforms into a single automated machine. Whether you are a student, a freelancer pitching services, a teacher designing courses, or a business owner scaling up, this setup removes the technical barriers to entry. Make sure you stick around for the final tool in this sequence. It acts as the central engine, taking tasks that normally require hours of manual data entry and completing them in seconds. At IK AI Academy, the goal is simple. When you learn how to practically apply AI, you create pathways to earn online, which ultimately helps you build a stable financial future. Success in the digital space rarely comes from knowing about one specific tool. It comes from knowing how to pass data seamlessly from one platform to the next, so the system runs itself. Step 1 is establishing your digital foundation. Before you try to capture a single lead or sell a product, your public-facing brand needs to look established and cohesive. We start with Instagram. The primary task here is optimizing your bio so that any visitor instantly understands exactly what value you provide and who you provide it to. To populate that profile, we use Canva. You don't need a background in graphic design to generate professional logos, mobile video frames, and thumbnails. You select a cohesive template style and apply it across all your visual assets. Once your social media has a consistent look, you need a fast-loading single-page website to house all your external links, portfolios, and offerings. We use Card for this. A high-converting landing page is completely minimal: a clear headline, a brief portfolio section, and a single call to action. Because you are working with a single-page structure, you can customize the layout and connect your social links, and publish the site live to the internet in about 15 minutes. This diagram illustrates the strategy. Social media attracts attention, but your central landing page captures that attention and funnels that traffic into a space you control entirely. Now that your digital home is built, you have to give people a reason to visit it. That requires consistent, targeted content. This is where ChatGPT becomes your writing partner. By using advanced, structured prompts, you can engineer an entire month's worth of blog posts, daily emails, and detailed lesson plans in a single afternoon. vidIQ validates ideas by finding the sweet spot, the bright yellow intersection of high search volume and low competition. This SEO data pulls in organic traffic. Next, we convert these passive scrollers into active subscribers by directing them to an email sign-up form. Using MailerLite, you embed a simple sign-up box directly onto your card landing page. When a user enters their address, the system automatically triggers a personalized welcome email, delivering a free template or guide. Owning an email list insulates you from unpredictable social media algorithms. It gives you direct, permanent access to the audience you have worked hard to build. We have the audience and we have the traffic. The final steps are attaching a revenue mechanism and removing yourself from the daily administrative labor. For monetization, we use Ko-fi to set up a digital storefront optimized for frictionless products like comprehensive video courses, detailed downloadable ebooks, or custom digital templates, meaning physical inventory management is never required. To handle the actual transactions, you link a Stripe account. This processor handles the heavy lifting, automatically generating invoices and securely accepting international credit card payments. Keep in mind that payment gateways are subject to specific local regulations. Verify Stripe's availability in your country and use a compliant local alternative if necessary. As clients and orders start coming in, you manage the workflow with Trello. You build a visual project board to track daily tasks, outline your content calendar, and ensure no request gets dropped. Finally, we reach the engine that runs it all: visual automation through a powerful tool called Make. Automation means digitally linking two different apps so that an event in one platform will trigger a simultaneous action in another. For example, instead of manually copying customer data, you build a two-step sequence. The moment a client buys a product on Ko-fi, Make instantly logs their email into a structured Google Sheet and sends them a thank you note via Gmail. You set that rule once and it runs forever. Implementing this final automation layer turns this entire setup from a grueling full-time job into a highly scalable, passive system. This diagram shows the completed master workflow. We now have 10 distinct tools operating cooperatively as a single daily productivity organism. You optimize the brand on Instagram, design assets in Canva, build the hub on Card, write content with ChatGPT, validate it via vidIQ, capture leads with MailerLite, sell through Ko-fi, process payments with Stripe, manage tasks on Trello, and automate the loop with Make. But watching this video is only the first step. Possessing the knowledge of these AI tools will not change your income unless you log in today, practice these workflows, and execute them consistently. If you found this breakdown valuable, share it with your friends and colleagues. Building a collaborative community of digital entrepreneurs helps everyone grow faster. Mastering these specific AI workflows today gives you the tools to secure your future. For more prompt engineering and professional AI skills, subscribe to IK AI Academy on YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. Learn AI, build skills, grow your future.